Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore Sport X10 earbud, and in today's video I am going to show you if only one of your earbud has a connection and the other one don't have any connection, so how to fix this problem. So I will show you two different ways to fix it. So let's start. The first method is by just putting these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will just insert them in the charging case. Then you have to close the case. Okay, so I will close the charging case and then you have to open it again with this button. Okay, so here is the button for the charging case. So I will just open it and then you will see the connection problem will solve. Both of the earbuds will connect it to your phone and you can use them. The second method is by doing the hard reset. So just insert your earbuds inside the charging case and leave the charging case open. Now on your phone, open the Bluetooth settings. So I will just bring down the quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth. I press and hold it like this, and then here you can see the Soundcore Sport X10 is now connected with my phone. Just go inside the settings. So here is the settings icon, just select it. Once you select it, here at the bottom you see this unpair option, just select it. Once you select it, here it will ask you if you want to unpair, so I will just unpair it. Now everything is done from my phone. Now what you have to do on your charging case, at the back side you will see this pairing button. So you have to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds. So I will just press and hold it for 10 seconds and you see these LED lights will blink together 3 times after 10 seconds. So I will show you. So here you can see now they blink together 3 times. Now you can leave the button and your earbuds are now hard reset. Now you can connect them again with your phone. So I will show you how to connect it back. So you just have to bring the phone, just close this charging case, okay, and then open it again. Now you can connect it with your phone. Open your phone Bluetooth settings. So here is the Bluetooth. I will just turn it on and then it will start scanning, and here you can see it is showing Soundcore Sport X10. So you just select it. Once you select it, it will start pairing and it will ask you if you want to pair. So I want to pair it. So here you can see the Soundcore Sport X10 is now connected. Now if you want to see if both of the earbuds are working, you can check through the Soundcore app. So here is the Soundcore app. Select this Sport X10. So once you select it, here you can see the left and right both are connected because battery percentages of both earbuds are now showing in this Soundcore app. So it means both of the earbuds are now connected and ready to use. So this is how you can fix this problem of only one earbud connection. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.